Hello ladies and gentlemen. I am excited to share with you today an inspiring story about a remarkable woman named Jamilla. She was a 28-year-old from Michigan, USA, who had a dream of starting her own bakery but faced numerous challenges and obstacles along the way. Despite all the odds stacked against her, she never gave up and ultimately achieved her goals. Jamilla grew up in a small town in Michigan where she developed a passion for baking. She dreamed of opening her own bakery but was plagued by doubts and fears. She worried about the risks involved in starting a business and wondered if her baking skills were good enough to make it in the competitive world of pastry making. Despite these doubts, Jamilla found inspiration in the words of the famous proverb, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." She knew that to achieve her dreams, she had to take that first step, no matter how small, towards her goal. So, Jamilla took action. She started small, baking cakes and pastries for her friends and family, and seeking feedback on her creations. She spent countless hours perfecting her recipes, often staying up late into the night in her tiny kitchen. However, just as her business was starting to take off, two other challenges arose. First, her father became ill, and she had to take care of him while continuing to run her business. Second, she faced stiff competition from other bakeries in the area, which made it difficult for her to attract new customers. Despite these setbacks, Jamilla refused to give up. She knew that quitting was not an option and that she had to find a way to keep moving forward. She reached out to her community for support and advice and worked tirelessly to improve her business. But despite all the hurdles she faced, Jamilla's hard work and determination paid off. Her bakery became a huge success, and people from all over the USA came to sample her delicious treats. She never lost sight of the importance of taking consistent action and staying creative, always experimenting with new recipes and listening to feedback from her customers. Finally, at the age of 36, after 8 years of challenges and hard work, Jamilla achieved her dream of owning a successful bakery. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance, determination, and hard work. She faced numerous challenges but refused to give up on her dream. Her success is a reminder that with the right mindset and attitude, anything is possible. If you find this story interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now, let's talk about how you can apply Jamilla's story to your own life. Whether you have a dream of starting a business, pursuing a passion, or achieving a goal, the same principles apply. Firstly, never give up. Remember that success is not always easy, and there will be obstacles and challenges along the way. But with resilience, perseverance, and determination, you can overcome them and achieve your dreams. Secondly, be fearless. Don't let fear hold you back from pursuing your dreams. Take risks, step outside of your comfort zone, and embrace the unknown. You never know where it might lead you. Thirdly, avoid procrastination and laziness. Take action now, and don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Every small step counts towards achieving your goals. Fourthly, be creative. Be open to new ideas, challenge your present situation, and think outside of the box. Creativity is what sets you apart from the crowd and helps you stand out. And finally, take action now. Don't wait for the perfect timing or for everything to be perfect. Start today and take small steps towards your goals. With consistent effort and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. In conclusion, Jamilla's story is a powerful reminder that no matter where you come from or what challenges you face, you have the power within you to achieve your dreams. It may not be easy, and there may be setbacks along the way, but with perseverance and determination, anything is possible. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you all the best on your own journey towards success. And finally, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and helpful tips to help you achieve your dreams.